Hello there guys and welcome to your Linux tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to talk about the nmtui, and basically if I press enter, what we will see is that I open up a so-called network manager TUI, and TUI I think stands for terminal user interface. Okay, and here we can actually edit connections, activate connections, and set system hostname with a pretty cool interface. Okay, so let's say if I want to edit the connection, I can edit my wire connection, I can edit some Wi-Fi stuff, etc. Okay, but basically, let me just go back. You can edit connections. You can also activate and deactivate connections. Okay, so this, for example, is activated. I can deactivate it, and I can also set system hostname, which at this point you don't really want to concern yourself with. Okay, but if you ever need to edit some connection details, you can do it with the Network Manager TUI, which stands for, I think at least, Terminal Unit User Interface. Okay, so this is a very, very cool way to edit your network related things. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something useful, and I will see you in the next tutorial.